to walk through the SCC Speech Communication Center page. Also, global navigation and how to schedule an appointment for assistance. For starters, log on to the Del Mar webpage. Hit the Canvas tab. Log into Canvas. It is the same username and password that you would use for WebDMC. This will take you to the dashboard. On the left-hand side of the page is your global navigator. It has your account, courses. If you click courses, a box will pop up. In the box, it will have a link to SCC page and the links to your courses. Calendar, inbox, comments, library, Viking Central, and the last tab, which is shaped like a life preserver, is the Help tab, which is every student's friend. Click on the Help tab and look for Student Quick Start Guide. This will take you to the Canvas Student Guide. It can help with announcements, assignments, web services, just to name a few. Let's check out what's underneath the calendar. Scroll all the way down to the last question. Click on it, and we will walk through how to schedule an appointment for assistance. In global navigation, click the calendar link. In the calendar sidebar, click the Find Appointment button. If a course includes an appointment, the name of the course displays in the course drop-down menu. Select the course where you want to look for an appointment. Then click the Submit button. View the appointments available for the course. Date and time slots indicate the time slot has been reserved. If your calendar is set to either the week or month view, and there are no available appointments in the visible date range, the calendar will let you know the date of the next available appointment. You can click on the date in the window to view available appointments. In the calendar, click the time slot you want to reserve. In the appointment window, you can view the appointment time, calendar, and details. If you want to leave any comments for your instructor, you can type them in the comments field. To sign up for the time slot, click Reserve. Once you have reserved the time slot fades in the calendar. If you want to choose another time slot instead, click the new time slot and repeat the reservation process. If you choose another time slot, the calendar will confirm you already have a reserved appointment. If you want to reschedule the new appointment time, click Reschedule Appointment. However, if you want to keep your original appointment, click the Do Nothing button. When you are finished with course reservations, click the Close button. View the added appointment to your course calendar. To completely cancel your appointment, click the appointment time and click the Unreserved link. In the comment field, let your instructor know why you need to delete your reservation. Click the Delete button. Today, we walked through Canvas, went over global navigation and how to reschedule an appointment for assistance